30-day green smoothie challenge. And what's crazy is over 1 million people have said yes to this challenge and loved it. So they've gotten results like more energy, they've lost weight, they've got glowing skin, and all it takes is adding one thing to your diet, a daily green smoothie. And you can do everything else the same, and that's the beauty of it, is you're changing one habit at a time and enjoying it along the way too. So we are diving into week 1, but first I want to have a sip of my tasty green smoothie. Right here we have beginner's luck. If you have not blended a green smoothie yet, I recommend starting with beginner's luck, which you found through our emails when you logged in and signed up for the free 30-day challenge. So as we get into week 1, make sure to print out your shopping list, which I have right here, and also the schedule of all the smoothies that we're gonna make for the first week. And what we're doing with week 1 is we're using ingredients that are easy to find and also really good for your body. So we're gonna start with spinach. And spinach is gonna be our leafy green base because it is super easy to find at pretty much any grocery store, and it also is really mild, so you're not gonna taste the green. So even though it looks really green and grassy, I promise you these smoothies are gonna blow your taste buds away. They are so delicious. We're also gonna be using cranberries in the first week, and we're doing this because cranberries are a great seasonal ingredient, and we wanna use them before they're out of season. And January is a great time to buy them. They're super high in antioxidants, which is great for disease fighting, also anti-aging, and they're also high in vitamin C, which is gonna help boost your immune system as the colds and flus are flying around. Another ingredient we're gonna use this week is cacao powder. And this is a little different than cocoa powder, which normally has the brand Hershey's on it. Cacao powder is less processed, and so you're getting more of those antioxidants that you want that come from the natural cacao bean. And so look for this. I buy Thrive Market online. You can find it at most grocery stores now, or of course on Amazon or other online retailers too. Another ingredient we're using this week is almond milk. We get lots of questions about almond milk because there's so many kinds to buy, and how do you know which one is the best? Well, the truth is there are so many different ones that are very similar and all really good. The key thing to look for when getting almond milk at the store is that it says unsweetened. So these are 3 brands that I just got at my local grocery store. All of them say unsweetened in some way. So that's a key ingredient right there. Also, I like to make sure that they're natural flavored and not vanilla, because oftentimes they're not even using real vanilla bean to flavor it. It's an additive or a processed flavor, a chemical that they're using. So those are some key tips when it comes to the almond milk. So no sugar and use natural flavor. And we do that because you are going to sweeten your smoothie naturally by using all of these fruits over here. And it's gonna make it taste great, but you're also getting the nutrients that you wouldn't get if it had added sugar in it. So natural fruit is a great way to flavor it. Also, if you are blending and trying to work and juggle everything and kind of going crazy, I wanted to show you some tips that I use to blend when it's a crazy day. So I will blend my smoothie in the morning and put it in a mason jar. I pretty much drink from mason jars all the time. And I got these lids on Amazon, twist it on. You can put it in the fridge until you want your smoothie if you're bringing it for lunch or a snack time. This is a great way to take it on the go and it won't make a mess. Also, you can take off that lid, put on another lid with a little straw hole. This is the way if you're driving and you want to drink it so you don't spill it. And it's also really cute. So however you want to drink your smoothie for the next 30 days is up to you. You can have it for a snack. You can have it as a meal replacement, which is a great way for trying to lose weight. You can do this. But what I would recommend is after you drink your smoothie is have like a handful of almonds or cashews or something with some healthy fats and protein in it without any other additives. So what I do is I'll drink this and maybe about an hour later is when I have a handful of those. So that's a great way to turn your smoothie into a meal replacement time. And yeah, so this is it. We are deep diving into week 1. I'm so happy you said yes to this challenge. And make sure as you're blending these smoothies, I mean, we have simple citrus, we've got cranberry citrus blast, we've got chocolate dipped strawberry smoothie coming up, and a berry blast off. As you blend every single day, I encourage you to go over to our blog where we're asking you to leave reviews of the recipes and let us know what you think and give your honest review. And for every entry that you do for each recipe, we're gonna enter you in a giveaway where we're giving away certain prizes, like someone's gonna win one of these. We also have our books, Simple Green Smoothies, and also Simple Green Meals, where we will send those to you for free if you're the winner. And also to be a part of our Rockstar Collective, we're gonna give away a membership for that. So thank you so much for saying yes to the 30-day Green Smoothie Challenge, and I cannot wait for you to boost your energy, to lose the weight that you want to, and to get that glowing skin.